Hello my dear children, welcome back. How was your Onam holidays? Did you enjoy well? Okay. How was your exams? Okay, very good. In our last class we discussed about Dandi March, right? Did you remember about Dandi March? Then say when was it took place? Yes, on 12th March 1930. Okay, now you know about Dandi March, and we studied that according to Dandi March, salt became the symbol of strength in the history of Indian freedom struggle. And this violation of salt law marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement in the country. This civil disobedience movement is one of the most significant movement launched by Gandhiji to fight against British rule in India. The main aim of this movement is to break all the laws created by the British for Indians, especially the salt tax law. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, so there is no need for the detailed study of this movement now. You will study the further details of the civil disobedience movement in your higher classes. Okay. So in our last class we discussed about the salt satyagraha led by Gandhiji on the shores of Dandi. So what was the name of the salt satyagraha? Yes, it was Dandi March. And today we are going to discussing about the salt satyagraha took place at Kerala. Shall we start? In your textbook of page number 36, a patriotic song is there. Did you see it? Okay. The song starts with the line Variga Variga Sahajare. Have you heard this song? Okay, it's a patriotic song and this song was written by Amshi Narayana Pillai. He was a great poet and freedom fighter of Kerala. So, this song provided more enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means interest. So, this song provided more interest to the struggle for freedom in Kerala. Like in Dandi Shore, salt satyagraha took place at Payyanur seashore in Kannur district. It was the great leader K. Kelappan who led salt satyagraha in Kerala. The main aim of the salt satyagraha was to violate means to break the law on salt tax. So, under the leadership of the great leader K. Kelappan, people marched from Kozhikode to Payyanur beach in Kannur by singing the song Variga Variga Sahajare. Here we mentioned that it was the great leader K. Kelappan was the one who led salt satyagraha in Kerala. So later he came to be known as Kerala Gandhi. Then say children, why K. Kelappan was called as Kerala Gandhi? Yes, because he was the one who took all the initiative process of salt satyagraha in Kerala. So, after the great success of this salt satyagraha, he came to be known as Kerala Gandhi. Okay children, did you understand? All of you must read your textbook. Okay children, now it's time for winding up today's section. Thank you.